Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Afsar and welcome to a beautiful channel Afsar Ingenious.
Heat. Heat is the form of energy. Heat transfer from hot body to cold body. There are three different modes of heat. Conduction, convection, radiation. In conduction, the molecules vibrate about central point. Gases are worst conductor of all. Stone is a better conductor of heat than a carpet. In convection, molecules are free to move about. Convection occurs only in liquids and gases. Coastal breeze is produced by convection. Radiation of heat can occur with or without a material medium. Air is a bad conductor of heat. Thermos flask is a type flask that aims to stop all three forms of heat transfer. The heat is metal rod flows by the process of conduction. The process of heat transfer from hotter place to a colder place by actual movement of the particles of the medium is known as convection. The normal temperature of human body is 37 feet C. The flow of heat by conduction is generally observed in case of solid. In which mode of heat transfer does the transfer of heat occur as a wave? Radiation. We receive heat energy from sun through mode of transmission. Radiation. Food and health. Components of food. The main components of foods are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are called nutrients. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are also called energy-giving food. It is the main source of energy. It is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. There are three types of carbohydrates. Sugars. It is a simple carbohydrates having sweet taste. Sources of sugar are glucose, sugarcane, milk, and fruits, such as banana, apple, grapes, etc. Starch. It is a complex carbohydrate. It is a tasteless, colorless, white powder. Sources of starch are wheat, maize, potato and rice. Cellulose. It is present in plant cell wall. It is a complex carbohydrate. Humans cannot digest cellulose. Protein. Protein helps in body growth and repairs the tissues, so it is also called bodybuilding food. We gain protein from milk, eggs, meat, fish and all kinds of pulse. Protein molecule is made of a large number smaller molecules called amino acid. The daily requirement of protein for adults is 1 grm per kilogram.